So what if eating 5 servings of vegetables per day, the recommended target that most of the literature points to being optimal for human health, causes a bad digestive time? First, please talk to your doctor about it. There are some things that could be going on there that are not cool, and definitely you want to get those diagnosed, like diverticular disease or inflammatory bowel disease. Now, if we're talking about irritable bowel syndrome, GI badness with no obvious cause, or just amorphous symptoms that don't get a diagnosis at all. But we just know we don't like it afterwards when we eat a lot of veggies. First and foremost, it's fine. I mean, it's not fine because it's miserable, but if vegetables don't work for you, they don't work for you. I encourage you to work with a registered dietitian to find a diet that meets your nutritional needs, but that also doesn't cause the GI badness. You might also find that cooked vegetables are easier on your gastrointestinal tract, or pureed vegetables are easier, or both, like pureed soups. And that might be a path to eating more. There's a strong link between irritable bowel syndrome and gut dysbiosis, the general term for some kind of imbalance in our gut bacteria. So there are some studies showing increasing some types of fiber can improve gastrointestinal symptoms in IBS. Those studies usually look at things like psyllium husk, but it doesn't work for everybody. It worsens symptoms in a subset of people. That used to be me. Nothing quite like not pooping for 2 weeks, ending up in the ER, and having every single doctor coming through to tell you they've figured out what's wrong with you. You're just full of so funny. I love it. It's so funny. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut can help, or a probiotic. Visbiome has the best track record in the medical literature. But this is not a sponsored video. The other thing here is that going from 0 to 100 in 0.6 seconds when it comes to fiber intake is well known to cause GI shenanigan badness. So it's recommended to, from wherever you're starting, to step up by 5 grams per week. So if you currently eat 10 grams of fiber per day, next week, the whole week, aim for 15 grams every day. Then the week after, you can go up to 20. And if that's still too much for your GI tract, again, worth mentioning to your doctor, but you can also do smaller step-ups or step up over longer time periods. So go up by 2.5 grams every 2 weeks. And again, incorporating fermented foods can help improve the composition of the gut microbiome, which can then alleviate symptoms. So all this to say, yes, high vegetable consumption does not work for everybody, even though on average, it improves our health. And hopefully I've given you some paths towards improving vegetable consumption, but also permission not to if it's just not for you.